Excuse me. Excuse me, boo. Okay. I can't do it right like London. She said, oh, I was like, oh, like I have to make an ugly face when I do, oh. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Tamika. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back, TT Gang Gang. Alright. So in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a hair update. As you can see, your girl has cut her hair again. And I know you've noticed that on my other videos that I've been posting on Mondays. But your girl chopped her hair off. So this is my fourth big chop. My fourth. I know. But I had to cut my hair because I did put a texturizer in my head in order for me to achieve this look. Hopefully I got the video up. But in order to achieve that look, I had to put a texturizer in it, which I do have a video in the iCards that I'm going to put up there about my crochet braiding. So in order for me to braid my hair, I had to stretch my hair out because I did do a third big chop in December of 2020. And then I let my hair grow out, and then I just went out of town for a little bit, and I wanted some passion twists. So I didn't put a texturizer in it then when I went to Orlando, but when I came back in order to do the crochets, I put a texturizer in it. So basically, your girl chopped her hair off again. The reason why is because of the texturizer I use Just For Me, which I don't really like, and I did use that on my daughter's hair only because I could not find the curl softener. Chopped my hair off day one. This was, looks like it was June 10th, so I'm coming up on my 1 month anniversary. So I chopped my hair off right here. I took a picture of it freshly chopped off, and the date is on there, June 10th, if you can see it. And you can see that it has definitely grown. I have not done any chopping except for right here, and then I gave myself a little cut in the back. So this is water. So you can kind of say this is going to be like a slash get ready with me in the morning because I do work from home. So I get my water, and then I use, because my hair is short, girl, there's no need for me to, you know, buy a whole lot of products. I barely have any hair. Like, I have hair, but it's not a whole lot. So right now I'm just using this leave-in, which I use on London's hair, which is the Kids Originals 2-in-1 Natural Conditioner Detangler. So I paid $5 and some change on this one. So I'm running out, but I use this as a leave-in. And then I just brush it a little bit. I am low porosity for those who do not know. So that means I use liquid cream, and then I put my oil in order to seal it in, because my hair strands is hard to seal in moisture. So that's why I'm low porosity. And then I get my oil. So this is Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint, and then I have grapeseed oil in here. So then I just pour this in. You can get your oils from anywhere. You can get it from Target, like especially like the tube one that is only like $1. You can get it from Family Dollar. You can get it from Target, Walmart, or your local beauty supply store. And just get a tube like this and fill it up with all of your oils. Just mix them all up and put it in your hair. So then I just get my brush again, and I brush it all the way around. For those asking or want to know, I would say, if you want to know like who cuts my hair, I do. I chop all of my hair off. I do it all myself. I did my lines. I did this right before 4th of July. The only difference that I do on the weekend is, instead of me using those 3 products, I will get some gel. And no, this is not like my favorite gel that I use. I'm just using what I have in my house until my hair grows out a little bit more. Then I will go out and buy some products, which I will tell you guys exactly what products that I like. I have been natural since 2017, so I have a little bit of knowledge about my own personal hair and how my hair adapts to certain products. So keep my hair at a certain length, if that makes sense. Like, I want my hair to be short. Like, I love the short look. I love it on me. I don't like that medium length look that I had, and hopefully I can put a video up here about it, but I don't like it. It didn't really fit me. And I think, like, when you're trying to grow long hair, it's like once you get long hair, then what? You just throw it up in a top knot? Like, that's not for me. So what I do is I'll use some gel, and then I'll get my little brush, and then I'll just spin it just at the top, and then keep the sides, you know, laid down, whatever. And what I do is, remember, I'm still working from home, honey. I get my coconut oil, put it on my face. Coconut oil adds shine, so just remember, it doesn't promote any hair growth at all. Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint does penetrate the strands. My mascara, this mascara I got from, oh, I forgot to mention this on my other video. This mascara I got from Belle's Outlet. Child, I was spending a lot of money. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. So I just put a little bit on here just to define my eyebrows, just a little bit. It's kind of hard to do it from here because you can't really see. But that's all I do, just to give me some, child, I can't see. Just to give me some definition, because my eyebrows are extremely light. Excuse me, boo. Okay. I can't do it right like London. She said, oh, I was like, oh, like I have to make an ugly face when I do, oh, hopefully it shows up. I don't know. This concealer, I can't remember where I got this from, but it's in color, it's Ruby Kisses Rich Caramel. So I just dab a little bit under my eyes just to remove the dark circles. Get brush, boom, when I'm not going nowhere. That is pretty much all I do, just add a little bit. Get this right here, I got this from Five and Below. I just get a little bit of blush, just a little, so, and now I'm just going in it with just some CoverGirl just to even that part out. That's it. And then put a little bit. This one is Wonder Kisses. I don't know where my daughter got this from, but I got it. I took it from her. Just put this on. I'm running out. And then that's it. That is basically all I do. And this pretty much puts me together for the rest of the day. And I am done. And this is like my go-to look every morning. Especially when I feel like looking like somebody. That's all I do. So much for watching. Remember to go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Get your girl up. And thank you to all of my new subscribers and those who do comment on my videos. I appreciate you very much. And all of my return subscribers who are just, you know, supporting me no matter what. No matter what content I put out, you watch it. So I do appreciate you. And thank you so much. Ever so humble. Give you a nice cute little heart. Because Lovable Tamika loves you. Thank you again. Have a great and awesome week. Thank you so much.